It's finally here, the Alldocube iPlay 30. This is a budget to mid-range tablet with 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, the Helio P60, a 10.5-inch display. Those are our main specs. We're going to learn more as we go. Here's the tablet itself. Comes wrapped up pretty nicely. Okay, so this is a nice aluminum back. The top here is plastic, which I'm not a fan of, but other than that, first impressions, those bezels look decent. Even slimmer than Apple's mid-range iPad. Wait, actually, I think the back is plastic. Yes, the back is plastic, my bad. In the box, we have our charging cable, which not a very nice presentation. This in that bag and stuff. And on this side, we have our charging brick and a manual. Oh, and a SIM ejector tool. So I guess this takes an SD card. Okay, it says SIM and SD card. So okay, this tablet is cellular, so you can put a SIM in this if you wanted to. That's pretty cool. The first tablet I ever owned that has a SIM slot. Okay, excuse the mess. Now let's power it on. Even have their own animation. That's pretty cool. Okay, nice. So first impressions, the display looks very nice. Almost Apple-like quality. So I'm gonna set this up and get back to you. All right, the tablet is all set up. As you can see, I'm installing apps right now. It does feel pretty quick, so locking it. So the tablet is pretty quick, and that's thanks to our Helio P60, which is a great chip from MediaTek. But look at this. The SIM slot, it's always protruding a tiny bit, and you can't put it back. So it just keeps nodding back and forth. So that is pretty annoying, but not a huge deal. Now, since this is a tablet, we do not have a fingerprint sensor, but let's see if we have face unlock, and we do. So here you go, it's called face authentication. So we're gonna set that up and see how it works. That's funny. Okay, it did not work. It kept telling me to move my face to the middle of the thing, but I did. Check this out, look. Center your face in the circle. I did that, nothing's happening. So I'm gonna bring it close up. The same thing. What if I do it like that? Face unlock just ain't working. I think the camera is just so bad, not even the Face ID can register my face properly. So I'm gonna try restarting the tablet, see if that fixes it. Okay, this is just not working, so we're just gonna skip this. As expected, the games run flawlessly thanks to our chip. I don't even have to disable ads. I mean, I could and it would run even better. So now if it runs good, we're gonna go straight to WinRAR because I don't want to waste anyone's time. And wow, look at how smooth it runs. I mean, you guys can't see it on your end because I'm recording at 30 frames per second, but take it from me, this is like running no lag, no stutter, at full frame rate, 60 FPS. A very, very enjoyable experience. Okay, PUBG is low. Okay, there we go. Alright, not bad. Wait, let's see what graphics we have. Frame rate high. Okay, we can bump the graphics to HD even. So let's do that. Okay, we're at the highest graphics this tablet supports. And as you can see, okay, kind of fluctuates. But for the most part, it runs pretty good. Okay, there you go. Now it's better. So PUBG is definitely playable on this phone. Yep. Alright, so light games, heavy games, this tablet can do it all. Okay, so the speaker doesn't get the loudest. We don't have 4 speakers, we only have 2 down here. Wait, are they 2? Yes. We have two bottom firing speakers, which they do a decent job, but it would have been nice to have two extra speakers on the top. But then again, this is a budget tablet, so I guess this is a bit forgivable. But the video viewing experience is not bad at all. I kind of like it. I like the typing experience. Usually tablets are too wide for me to type, but as you can see, it's perfect for me. Even when I turn it to landscape mode. Sorry, auto rotate was off for some reason. So yeah, even in landscape mode, it isn't bad. Yeah, typing in portrait mode is better. But as you can see, you know, browsing the web is a pleasure on this device. So the camera layout it's pretty dull, to be honest. So front camera is 5 megapixels, rear camera is 8 megapixels. Rear video is full HD, front video is 720p. So yeah, let's take our first selfie with HDR. Let's go outside. We're facing video on the Alldocube iPlay 30. I've taken a few pictures just now. They aren't the best, but for the price, it's perfectly fine. Especially since the fact that you're not going to take much pictures and video on this thing anyway. Unless it's like for voice chat or video chat. Like, so yeah, okay, it has a focusing issue, but yep. Front facing video on the Alldocube iPlay 30, 720p. Okay, I cannot be seen at all. There we go, there we go. So yeah, it looks pretty decent. Not the best quality, but forgivable for the price. And for video calls, it should be, perfectly fine. And honestly, I don't see any problem with the camera. So yeah, that's what I think. Okay guys, that is pretty much it. So some extra things before I round up my thoughts. So the feel in the hand, it feels premium despite it being plastic. Alright, this is like a high quality plastic. So it doesn't feel cheap in the hand at all. It feels like I'm holding aluminum. It actually might be that, I do not know for certain. The battery life is already at 89%. So when I first unboxed this not too long ago, it was 100%. So the battery life isn't the best, but it is livable. It's hard to say now, but feel free to ask me in the comments a few days later about how the battery life is. Settings, this is pretty much stock Android 10, so nothing special in the settings. So this is a very pleasant device to use. I just want to show you how fast this thing really is. So messages, Duo, Play Store. Okay, I didn't let Duo load, my bad, but settings. So yeah, very fast tablet, very satisfied. So yeah, should you buy this tablet? For $150 to $180, yeah, I think this is definitely worth it. The display is nice, the speakers, there's room for improvement, but they are pretty decent overall. Cameras are fine, performance is great, battery life meh. But I really do enjoy this tablet. So I think this is a great alternative to like Apple's cheaper iPads. And why am I not connected to Wi-Fi? And it even has cellular. You can put a SIM in this, and I did not expect that when I first got this thing. So yeah, if you have any more questions, let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.